Passive income. Two words that have sold millions of dreams. Scroll through social media for 5 minutes and you'll see the same promise repeated over and over again. Build one online business, create one digital product, upload a few videos, launch a website, and then sit back while the money rolls in. Financial freedom appears effortless. Success looks automatic. The idea is seductive because it offers something almost everyone wants, the ability to earn without constantly trading time for money. But here's the truth that almost nobody wants to hear. Passive income is an illusion until you replace weak habits with relentless self-discipline. The people who actually build lasting streams of passive income aren't working less than everyone else. They're working differently. They're investing enormous amounts of focused effort long before anyone notices the results. They're building systems while everyone else is searching for shortcuts. And that's exactly why so many people never make it past the beginning. The biggest lie about passive income isn't that it's impossible. The biggest lie is that it's passive from the start. Think about how most people approach it. They watch a few motivational videos. They buy an online course. They launch an Etsy shop, a YouTube channel, an affiliate website, or a digital product. For the first few weeks, they're excited. They wake up early. They work consistently. They imagine their future freedom. Then something happens. Sales don't arrive immediately. Views stay low. The website receives almost no traffic. Subscribers barely increase. The excitement disappears. So does the discipline. Within a few months, the project is abandoned. Not because it couldn't succeed, because the creator stopped showing up before the system had time to work. This is why so many passive income ventures fail within their first 6 months. People believe they can simply set everything up once and forget about it. But passive income has never been about forgetting. It's about building something so well that eventually it requires less attention, not no attention. That's a completely different idea. Here's the reality most successful entrepreneurs understand. Passive income is deferred labor. You're not avoiding work. You're moving it forward. Instead of working every day for today's paycheck, you're working intensely today so your future self benefits tomorrow. Think about writing a book. The reader spends only a few hours reading it. The author may have spent 2 years creating it. Think about a successful YouTube channel. The audience watches a 10-minute video. The creator may have spent 20 hours researching, scripting, filming, editing, optimizing, and improving every detail. Think about software. Customers click one button. Developers spent years building the system behind that single click. The value people experience in minutes often represents thousands of invisible hours that came before it. That's what passive income really is. Invisible effort, delayed rewards, and relentless consistency. Now ask yourself an uncomfortable question. If your passive income isn't growing, is the problem really your idea? Or is it your operating system? Because businesses don't simply reflect strategies, they reflect habits. Every missed work session, every unnecessary distraction, every promise you make to yourself and fail to keep, every time you say you'll work tomorrow instead of today. Those moments don't disappear. They quietly become your results. Most people spend more time looking for better business models than better personal discipline. But without discipline, every business model eventually collapses. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on unstable ground. It doesn't matter how beautiful the design looks. Eventually, the structure falls apart. Your habits are the foundation beneath every business you will ever build. Weak habits create weak businesses. Strong habits create businesses capable of surviving difficult seasons. The question isn't whether your strategy works. The question is whether you do. One of the biggest differences between people who succeed and those who quit is how they think about motivation. Most beginners wait until they feel inspired before taking action. Professionals don't. They build rituals. Motivation changes every day. Some mornings you wake up energized. Other mornings you don't want to do anything. If your progress depends on motivation, your business will constantly stop and start. But rituals don't depend on emotions. They depend on decisions you've already made. Successful creators don't ask themselves whether they feel like working. They simply begin because that's what the schedule says. The less energy you spend deciding whether to work, the more energy you have available to actually produce meaningful work. This leads to another uncomfortable truth. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a systems problem. Every successful passive income stream operates like a machine. Machines don't run on excitement. They run on systems. Content creation systems, marketing systems, learning systems, financial systems, customer support systems, review systems, automation systems. Each small process supports the next until the entire business begins operating smoothly. Without systems, everything depends on memory and motivation. Eventually, both fail. Another hidden enemy is procrastination. Most people believe procrastination is laziness. It usually isn't, it's confusion. When the next step isn't clear, your brain naturally looks for something easier. Checking your phone becomes easier. Watching another tutorial becomes easier. Planning becomes easier than building. That's why disciplined people always define the next action before finishing today's work. Tomorrow never begins with uncertainty. It begins with execution. There's another mistake almost everyone makes. They measure the wrong things. They obsess over revenue, views, followers, subscribers, sales, but those are outcome metrics. The real focus should be on input metrics. How many focused hours did you work today? How many valuable pieces of content did you create this week? How many skills did you improve this month? How many customer problems did you solve? Income is the result. Discipline is the cause. Most people stare at the result while completely ignoring the cause, and then they wonder why nothing changes. Here's something worth remembering. Compounding doesn't only apply to money. It applies to habits. 1 hour of focused work every day seems insignificant. After 1 week, it feels ordinary. After 1 month, it becomes momentum. After 1 year, it becomes expertise. After several years, people call it overnight success. They never saw the thousands of ordinary days that created the extraordinary outcome. That's the invisible stage where most people quit. Nothing exciting seems to happen. Growth feels painfully slow. Progress appears almost invisible, but beneath the surface, your systems are improving, your skills are improving, your judgment is improving, your confidence is improving. Eventually, all those invisible improvements become visible results. Success doesn't suddenly appear. It slowly reveals work that has been accumulating for months or years. So what can you do starting today? Start by auditing your time. Track every hour for the next 7 days. Don't guess where your time goes. Measure it. You may discover that the biggest obstacle to financial freedom isn't a lack of opportunity. It's hundreds of small distractions stealing your attention every single day. Next, create one non-negotiable period of focused work every day, even if it's only 60 minutes. Protect it, turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, remove interruptions, treat that hour as the appointment that builds your future. Then simplify your environment. Don't rely on willpower alone. Make discipline easier. Prepare tomorrow's workspace before going to sleep. Keep your tools ready. Reduce unnecessary decisions. The easier it is to begin, the more consistently you'll continue. Finally, perform a weekly systems review. Don't ask whether you had a good week. Ask whether your system had a good week. What slowed you down? What wasted time? What produced the biggest results? What should change next week? Improve one small process every 7 days. Small improvements repeated consistently create extraordinary businesses over time. Eventually, something remarkable begins to happen. Your routines become automatic. Your systems become stronger. Your confidence grows because you've proven to yourself that you can stay consistent. Momentum replaces hesitation. Progress replaces frustration. Your business becomes more predictable because your behavior becomes more predictable. And that's when passive income finally begins to feel passive, not because you stopped working, because you built something strong enough to continue producing value after the hardest work was already completed. The internet loves showing the destination: luxury homes, travel, financial freedom, early retirement. What it rarely shows is the discipline behind every one of those outcomes. The months of learning when nobody was watching. The weekends spent improving products instead of relaxing. The hundreds of failed experiments. The thousands of consistent decisions made when quitting would have been easier. Passive income has never been about escaping work. It's about escaping chaos. It's about replacing constant labor with carefully designed systems. But those systems are built by disciplined people, not lucky people. So stop asking how to make money while you sleep. Start asking what kind of person you must become while you're awake. Because your income will almost always reflect your identity. If your habits are inconsistent, your income will eventually become inconsistent. If your discipline is strong, your business will eventually become strong. The greatest passive income asset you'll ever build isn't a website, a YouTube channel, an online course, or an investment portfolio. It's the version of yourself capable of building them consistently. Master that person first. Everything else becomes much easier. And that's the brutal truth most people never hear. Passive income doesn't reward wishful thinking. It rewards aggressive personal discipline. The systems you build today become the freedom you experience tomorrow. The question is no longer whether passive income is possible. The real question is whether you're willing to become the person capable of creating it.